Grandma's famous recipe: chicken cutlet, chicken palm, chicken slider.
When it's one of them days, everything go your way and your soundtrack plays like. When the good time stays and it's not just a phase, you can feel the level raise like. When the sun rays break the haze and the light just blaze and it tastes like. All I'm trying to say is, man, I feel good to feel good. I mean, real good. Fresh flavors on my breakfast plate, even fresher when I'm pressing play. It clear the stress away. Nothing left to say, just gratitude. Glad of that dude today happen to happen to. Bad moods like faraway countries. Everything that I do gon' be funky. From now on, the cloud's gone. My style's strong, no dial tones. Cause there's no hang-ups, no handcuffs. I'm playing stuff out and never flake like dandruff. Every stanza make you stand up and
Tastes just like my grandma's recipe. I feel like I'm with her now. I feel like I'm eating with grandma.